This is Stockton. If you're interested in technology news in Africa and beyond, then this is the right channel for you to subscribe.
Today marks the beginning of this new direction, which links our railway system to the promise of socio-economic liberation to deliver growth and well-being for not just Nairobi, but our country. The improvements we are undertaking in the transport sector are therefore key strategic interventions aimed at complementing the pillars of our transformation agenda. We are committed to liberating Nairobi to enable it live up to its full promise of a national, regional, continental, and global multi-sectoral hub, thereby harnessing Kenya's real potential.